So, ganito po kami magtutoothbrush, guys. Saving water. Lagyan ko po ng bucket dito para yung tubig dyan maiipon. And then what I'm going to do with this one is to flush the toilet. Yan, money saving tip yan, ha. Step, 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 step. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, everyone.
Hi,
May toothpaste pa ako dito. So, we're preparing for bed na because the time is 9 o'clock. So, my new look po si Steph ngayon, guys. So, kanina po around, what time did I cut your hair? Mga 4 o'clock? 5. Basta mga ganun, around 5 o'clock. So, it's easier to maintain pag hindi po mahaba ang buhok. Kasi back to school soon. Ganyan po ang look ni Steph ngayon. Say something, Steph. Don't just say it.
Guys, everyone here.
Hi, guys. Sige, hello.
Hi, guys.
Today, tell the guys what you did today.
Today, I slammed my toe. Today, slammed my toe. This one. And when was this one?
That one is from the shoe. The red shoe.
No, it was white.
The white one. I think someone's calling Steph. Can you get my phone?
Ring-a-ling.
Come
Okay,
here.
I'll get your phone.
No, the other one. We're not talking. We're not talking about this phone. So today's date is the 7th of October 2023,
Yes.
Saturday. So we just stayed home today. We were gonna go to...
No, wait, it's Friday today.
No, Saturday. We were gonna go to the Port Elliot show, pero
Mama?
I decided to plant more pumpkin seedlings in the garden today.
But I
That's
thought
why
it
I
was
stayed
Friday.
home.
Because
Friday yesterday. Tomorrow is Sunday. So, ring again. What's that?
49 minutes ago.
Yeah. Ring back. Si Stephanie, nag-shower yak. Stephanie had a shower today. Same as me. This one, hindi siya nag-shower. That means tomorrow you're going to have a bath or shower.
About.
You got hiccups.
I still got hiccups.
Talaga naman, ha?
Good morning, Daddy.
Okay, ring. There's more light here, so it's good to I miss your call. Why?
Saying that I want to
Ooh,
ring you.
gaga.
Go gaga. Your daughter is
Yeah.
being a baby.
Scarlett, get some water.
Scarlett's got hiccups. Can you talk properly, Scarlett?
You got hiccups.
Daddy, today I slapped my toe.
What?
Today I slammed my toe, I said.
You slammed your toe?
Yes, at night time.
Where did you slam your toe?
In the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Underneath the fire extinguisher. That piece of wood there in the kitchen.
How did you
No,
do
it
that?
was what?
She was spinning round and round and round with Stephanie.
She was trying to smack my bum.
And she was trying to smack his bum.
Her bum, not his.
Ates, I said.
And then you kicked it.
And then she kicked her toe on the wall.
You kicked
Yeah,
it.
that's alright. I put band-aid on it. Oh, good.
It was bleeding.
Sige na, good night na because we still have to do our game. The letter game.
Ma, can you take a video look at her?
Of what?
Of Scarlett getting water. Scarlett, do you still have the hiccups? No, not anymore. Oh. What?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to get water just in case? No, thanks.
Sige na, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, goodbye.
No, good night.
Yeah, good night. We're doing a vlog too.
I think I have the hiccups back again. Okay.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.
Good night. Don't just leave my phone there. So that's the end of our mini vlog for tonight, guys. Before we go to bed, we just want to say thank you so much for watching our videos. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Goodbye.
Goodbye, guys.
Yes.
I tried Lola's thing. She told me to get water and then she scared me. So I tried to tell Scarlett to get water.
It works.
No, it didn't work.
Uh,
It worked with me. No, I didn't drink it yet and then I drank
you still have hiccups? No, so it works, Dev.
But she hiccuped after I scared her. Mama. She spilled the water on her hand. Mama.
Okay. Yes.
No. First I hiccuped and then I didn't drink.
Oh.
First I had a hiccup and then I got my drink.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
See you on next channel.
Now, see you on our next vlog.
See you on the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Pinay, Pinay in South Australia.
Again. Don't please like.
Please like and subscribe. Pinay, Pinay in South Australia. Bye. Pinay, Pinay in South Australia. Bye.